Okay, we finally made some progress in 8 minutes, which is kind of weird. No, it's not kind of weird. It's really weird. Yeah, but still. Okay, before we stay here for 14 more minutes, just sitting here thinking of what to say, let's just make some more progress before the camera cuts again. Okay. Wait. How am I in the fridge still? Wait, this isn't the fridge. It feels cold. It's a freezer. Dude, why am I even in here, King SpongeBob? Well, is he still out there? I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. I hope I'll figure it out. Ah, where is this? And why is everyone? Why is almost everyone here? Because everyone here is dead. White Pikmin? Wrong. It's me, Minion Pig. Minion Pig, what are you doing here? Gonna tell you that if you want to get out of here, which you definitely want to, yeah, you're supposed to go in that box and you'll be teleported to somewhere. How'd you get out here? The cat threw me out here. What cat? The cat you were supposed to be at. Oh, right. Okay, I'm gonna throw you in here now. Ah, I can't believe Red still ripped a hole in my back. Whoops. I need to go in there too. What is that sound? Ah. Blue Toad. What's wrong? I just saw something. You saw what? Well, it's like I saw Minion Pig and everybody else. It must have been a dream. No, it mustn't have. Blue Pikmin was there alive. Yeah, that definitely was a dream. No, it wasn't. Blue Pikmin, are you serious? How are you alive? We killed you. Did you, though? Yeah, did you? Yes. Wrong. We are alive again because we have Minion Pig. Shut up. Well, what was that? Okay, I'm gonna tell you now. We villains can die twice. We villains can die once and then come back. That's not fair. We obviously don't come back. Yeah. Some sort of conflict or something. Ow. Hey, don't hurt him. Okay. I don't want to be with you, Unbearable 4 again. Yeah, you, Unbearable guys. Ha. I remember how Red ripped that hole in your back. Ah! No, you don't. Okay, now, we are gonna be somewhere that you will never find us. Bet. Okay. We'll be somewhere else. I believe that. Do you? No. Okay, fine. Let's go somewhere. Somewhere we... Minion Pig, you idiot. What he means to say is somewhere that you guys never guess. But what if we do guess it? Okay, bye. That was weird. Yeah, can you still believe Minion Pig's that dumb? Hey! I still hear you guys! Oh no, let's hide somewhere. Ah! There, we'll find us here. Wait, why do I hear voices? Oh, I'm scared. What was I just doing? Ah! Wow, he really is dumb. You hear us again. Guys, what? The vent is right there. Really? Let's go. What, Ozzy? What, I mean, Ozzy where? Nowhere. I meant Bubbles. How can you get those two mixed up? I don't know, I'm just weird, that's why. We all are. Okay, let's go in the vent. Wait, doesn't this feel familiar? No. Okay, let's go. What are you, a cat? Wait, no. Again. Minion Pig. Why? Why? You were so close, Minion Pig. Okay, look. I'm just an idiot like you guys say. Yep, you are. Ouch. Actually, ouch. Okay. We gotta actually go somewhere we haven't been. The chances is that they'll find us somewhere we've never been, so let's go to the place we've been. Wow, I thought you were an idiot. Me too. Now let's go! I'm going back to Dark Room. I deserve this. I deserve to be in a box. Wait, why am I saying that? I'm king! That doesn't mean anything. White Pikmin! Why did you put me in here? Because you put me in this same exact pain. Huh? Oh, that's right. Well, don't do anything. Okay. I said don't do anything. No, you didn't. Stop talking! Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, White Pikmin. I'll get out of here. And I'll get revenge on you putting me through this pain. Doubt it. Hey!